Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Empire State Realty Trust ESRT. ESRT is actually entering very interesting buy zone. So to understand the levels where we can buy and sell, first let's have a look at the general trends here. So we can see that ESRT is now about to finish its 2 weeks long downtrend, which was starting at June 8 after actually having this classical maximum with triple candle behavior and area. We also had not entirely overbought situation, but RSI showed some peak here. In general, it's interesting to know that this stock is always trading either on the mid or little bit below the mid of RSI, which means that it can actually spike any moment. So these kind of stocks are always having a nice upfront potential if there is any catalyst or any technical or chart-based catalyst. Also, if we look at divergence convergence index here, MACD, we see that also on June 8 there was a classical flattening of the wave, and then the wave went down, and now another wave is being formed, although it's still quite small. So it could be either immediate reversal from tomorrow, almost probably given that it's Friday tomorrow and we will have kind of a Friday escape situation when people, especially daily and short-term traders, leave the tickers in the second half of the day. We still might have kind of wave forming next week and then some uptrend. Also very interesting here, which makes this good stock to buy, is the behavior where the moving averages are first of all forming classical 200, 50 and 20 condition, meaning that moving average 200, which is this red line, and moving average is on the top really high. Then moving average 50, which is this blue line, is actually lower, and then moving average 20, which is the green line, is on the bottom. And to see the notions of the moving averages lines, please look at the left side here. So then coming back to the right, we can see that moving average 200 is very high here. Actually, well, it's not really 100%, but it's kind of close to that. So it's really high, so it creates really big playing field here. And also the moving average 200 is declining, not really rapidly, but it's kind of a steady decline. So which is a good sign, meaning it's a stable situation in the market. Also, having said that, RSI is actually not observing any strong volatilities. Then we can see here that the market trend at 8th of June, it started from the top really going down with some small volatility here about mid of June. So it was going down, and now it shows kind of, from the candle point of view, kind of situation of possible reversal. It's actually red candle and then white candle, which is on the same height as the top of the body of the previous candle. This means actually it indicates the possible reversal. So the similar situation took place at May 16, 17 here. Also on the downtrend, this was kind of a small gap up, and then overall we returned back to moving average 20 at 26th of May. So we can observe similar situation here, and we need to say that actually between the current price and moving average 20 there is a nice gap, almost 10% you can play. But it's not given that it will happen immediately tomorrow, but because it's Friday, so most probably there will be still some small volatility, and only then we will go high. If this would be happening, then we should see some interesting buy options, and immediately we can say the first buy option will start actually at about 650, 640. So if we will have indeed situation similar to what we observed at May 16, 17, then it's nice to buy. This would be the first buying box. To determine second buying box, we can either do this kind of a slow downtrend thing and look at these levels This will make it then this one. Wait, let me do it as a line. Or what we can do in a situation like when we have 20, 50 and 20, 250 and 20 moving averages alignment, it's also a nice rule to say that everything below 20% of the current moving average 20 is very good. So like a 20% on 20 rule. And it's a good to buy. And then this would define our second box actually being somewhere at around 550. So we can say this would be about 550. And this makes our two boxes. So this will be the first box to buy and second box to buy. So if the price going these levels, this would be level 1 and level 2. Then of course reversal should be observed after having those levels. And having also said this, the next question would be when to sell. And here you really need to see there are two possible situations here. First, the moving averages 20 and 50 will continue similar trends as before. So they will be like following each other without crossing, and then the price will be dragged by moving average 20. If this is the case, then I would say once you have this reversal, sell when you touch the moving average 20. But so if this is the first situation. Second situation possible if we have a magic cross up, meaning that moving average 20 at certain moment will suddenly go up and cross the moving average 50, creating a magic cross up. This is usually extremely bullish situation. If this is going to happen, or you see any strong turn towards up of moving average 20, then maybe wait until until the levels, and let's see those levels then. So then the good level would be actually about this one. Yeah. That would be then the level to sell, because then we can observe some very nice uptrend. Although there could be some still in between volatility when we will be crossing moving average 20, because it works as quite strong resist here as well. So that's for ESRT. Also, I would like to inform you that apart having daily videos updates, we also have now our online free mobile tool application that allows you to see our latest 15 stocks reported in videos plus their buy price indicators. For now, it's only available for Android, but later we will also issue it on iOS platform. So you can find a link to Google Store in the video below. Please go download it and check it. It's a very nice free tool, very easy to use. You just watch a quick video and while your data is downloaded, and then always you will have in your pocket 15 latest buy advices with entry points. And when you want to see in more detail, you can always come back to our video channel and also show the detailed explanation. Thank you for that, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, please try our free mobile app. Have a good day.